Okay, everyone, let's start praying. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, thank you, Bertie. Before we start, I will check your attendance. Okay. Riri, Rini, Verdi,
Present.
Hafiz, Hedi, Ona, Juni, Nanas. You all here today. Okay. Please look the picture on the screen. Okay. Do you know this picture?
Yes,
Yes. What?
this is Tangkuban Parahu.
Okay. Bishop. Is there a story behind the poem? Yes.
Yes.
What? Story? What story is the picture? Legend story as example? Okay, sure. Okay, we are going to learn narrative text, especially legend, using the legend of Sangkuriang. I have a video. You look the video. Let's watch.
Once upon a time, there was a man named Sankurian. Once upon a time, there was a man named Sankurian. He lived in the jungle with his mother, Dame Supi, and a dog named Sitamon. Sankurian was a very good hunter. His mother always asked him to go hunting, but he never got anything. One day, Sankurian killed a dog and took its heart. When his mother found out, she was so angry that she kicked him out of the house. A few years later, Sankurian got dead, and he accidentally fell in love with his own mother. Didn't Supi know that he was her son? She refused his proposal by setting a condition. She asked him to build a dam and a boat in the Sitara River before sunrise. Sankurian tried his best, but he failed. He was so angry that he kicked the boat, and they turned it into a mountain called Tikibang Prahu.
Okay. Now let's talk about legend. Legend is a legend type of narrative text that tell a story about the origin of a place, object, or event. Okay. People believe that the story really happened in the past, even though it cannot be proven significantly. Legends are usually passed down from generation to generation and are closely related to local culture and tradition. Example of legend is legend of Lake Toba, the legend of Malin the legend of Sangkuriang. And the legend have characteristics. The first is a legend and narrative have characteristics. The first is a folk story. A legend comes from traditional stories that develop a society and are based on orally. And the second is believed to have happened. People believe the story is true, although there is no clear historical and evidence. And the third, tell the origin of something. Legend usually explain the origin of a place, name, natural feature, and or event. And the fourth, the character are human or supernatural beings. Can be ordinary people, powerful figurines, or medical creators, and contain moral value. Legend teach moral lessons such as honesty, obedience, humility, and respect. And the sixth is use the structure as orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation. And the last is use past tense because the story happened in the past. Next. setting and situation. And the second complication present a problem or conflict. Okay, and third, a resolution show how the problem is resolved. And the last, reorientation optional and given moral lesson or closing comment. The next narrative text have the language feature as the first past tense. The first is past tense narrative text tell event that happened in the past, so they mostly use past tense. Example is there lived a beautiful woman named Dayang Sumbi, and Sanghyang killed Tuma. And the second action verb used to show action and event in the story. Example: wife, hunted, kill, vanishing, wonder, propose, and kick. And the third verbal conjunction is time connective, used to show the sequence of event. And example: long ago, one day, then, after that, eventually, and in the end. And the next is specific character. Okay, the four specific characters, narrative text mentions specific peoples, animals, or supernatural beings. Example is Dayang Sumbi, Sanghyang, and Tuma. An adjective and adjective phrases used to describe character, place, and situation. Example is beautiful woman, divine being, uncontrollable, anger, forbidden, and marriage. And the six, direct and indirect speech optional, is used to show conversation or thought. Example is he called her that it was a dear heart, and she promised to marry him if he succeeded. And the seven, cause and effect. And the last, moral and evaluative language legend often include expressions that show judgment or lesson. Example, the consequence of you check it, ambition, and a reminder of obedience and responsibility. Okay. I have question. Is what is a legend? Raise your hand. Okay. Ready?
Legend is a narrative text telling a story about some place or object or event in text.
Okay. What tense is used?
Usually use past tense.
Okay, good job, lady. I have key vocabulary. You can repeat after me. Okay.
Okay.
First, spell.
Spell.
Various.
Various.
Hard.
Hard.
Vessel.
Vessel.
Boat.
Boat.
Mountain.
Mountain.
Return.
Return.
Impossible task.
Impossible task.
Okay, I tell you. Can you mention other Indonesian legends? Raise your hand. Okay.
There's the legend of Malinunda.
What else?
The legend of Danau Toba.
Okay. Okay. Ready? Okay. What else? What else? What else? Okay. Good job, everyone. No, I will show you a narrative text and the legend of Sampuriang. We will read it paragraph by paragraph. One student read one paragraph. Okay. Ready? You can. Rini, you can. Anna, you can read first paragraph. So.
Choosing a live of isolation, serious that from society, comparing socially by their fighting bulldog to market. To the outside world, Timok was not a merry animal, he was a divine entity, condemned to live in animal form and was ensured their soon destined husband.
Okay, thank you, Hannah. Ona, sorry. Okay, the next, Yahdi, you can word 2 and 3 paragraph. You can read.
Ini sama others through identity. As a grandmaster, the girl is a physical strong and fearless young man with an adventurous spirit. He is frequently ventured into the forest to hunt, with the monk loyally following him both a companion and guardian. One fateful day, Sangkuriang returned from the forest empty-handed. He overcome by frustration by blinded by uncontrollable anger. He committed a grave mistake by killing the monk. In an act of deception, he broke the monk's heart calm and was the heart of the Buddha. Before discovered the hard truth, Dayang Sumbi was consumed by overwhelming sorrow and intense rage. Acting impulsively, she struck Sangkuriang's head, leaving a permanent scar and reddish hair from her home to punish for his unforgivable act.
Okay, thank you, Yadi. And the next paragraph, okay, Ferdi, can you read the paragraph
Which paragraph?
4?
Years passed, as Sangkuriang wandered across distant land, unaware of his origins. Meanwhile, divine force preserved Dayang Sumbi's youth, preventing her from aging and allowing her beauty to remain untouched by time. Eventually, death intervened, bringing mother and son under tragic circumstances. Neither recognized the other, enhanced by Dayang Sumbi's eternal beauty. Sangkuriang fell deeply in love and boldly proposed marriage.
Okay, thank you, Ferdi. And next paragraph 5, okay, Hafiz, you can read.
Initially, Dayang failed to recognize him as her son. However, he was noticing his heart on his head. She, realizing the horrifying reality, determined to prevent the forbidden union without revealing the truth. She devised an impossible condition. She promised to accept his proposal only if he could construct a vast land and a massive work within a single night.
Okay, thank you, Hafiz. And the next paragraph is paragraph 6 and 7, the last, 4 to Shashi. Yes.
Assisted by the supernatural being, Sangkuriang made astonishing progress and merely complete the task before dawn. Alarmed by the possibility of failure, Dayang Sumbi resort to deception by creating the illustration of sunrise, believing that he had failed to meet the challenge. Sangkuriang was overwhelmed by uncontrollable fury. In a fit of rage, he kicked the unfinished elbow, causing it to unburn and transform into what is now famous known as a mountain Tampuba Purahu. Realizing the devastating consequence of illegal, unchecked disobedience and deception, Dayang Sumbi withdraw into solitude. Sangkuriang, on the other hand, with solitude leaving behind a legend tale that continued to save the powerful remain of the tragic love, faith, and moral content.
Thank you, Shashi. Now, let's analyze the structure of each paragraph in the orientation. Each one paragraph orientation. Raise your hand. Each one paragraph. Okay.
on from one beautiful day until spring.
Sure. Way complication. Complication is paragraph one fateful day and use space and initial and assistant. Why?
Okay, Rini.
Okay, good job, Rini. And complication is the paragraph 3 go to the paragraph 5. Because as communication and conflict is in the paragraph 3 paragraph in the paragraph conflict in the paragraph K, and the last no which paragraph the moral and value reorientation. Yours and reorientation. In the text, which one paragraph in moral and value? Why?
Because it tells at the end of the story.
Okay, because the the first consequence of you can omission, disobedience, and deception that should be with the into lesson yang on the hand first financial into make a living and legendary tale that continues to serve power reminder or strategy of faith and moral sequence. Okay. I have a question is who are character in the text? Sakoyang, what else? What else? Okay, what else?
That's all.
That's all.
That's all?
That's all.
Sure. What is the okay, what tense is mostly used in the text?
Past tense.
Past tense. Okay, sure. Can you mention me active Okay, what else? And untouched. Okay. Cornice. Enchain. And more action for A. How about time connector? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Time connector. Okay, Nini. What else? You see? Okay. No. Your space, some Korean, yes. Manual. Long ago, one day, then eventually, is the connector. Is eventually okay, is there, and okay. No. We will create a narrative text together. Okay. Please make a small group. Make it small group. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And group 1 and group 2, group 3, group 4, and group 5. Okay, you make a circle. Yes, you will prepare. Okay, you prepare in friends. Okay. I give you paper. Okay, please create narrative text in a group. Okay, in group. You make narrative like this. What? Title is the title is your yes, experience.
From your experience.
Yeah, experience about the narrative writing you create. Okay,
Create what?
Are we
Or we're
going
going
to
to rewrite another narrative text that we know this.
you create narrative text as you know.
Oh. Create and then write.
Sorry. You make together, please. I give you 10 minutes. Okay.
I hear you.
Please you complete the story using orientation, complication, and resolution. Maybe optional reorientation as moral and value, and you use past tense, okay, and action verb and time connectors. Okay. You understand, Billy?
Yes, miss.
Good job.
Hello, please.
Together, students know
Yes, can I ask a question? Does the text use all of it or just half? Yeah, just the half of the
Yes.
story.
Yes.
Just the half the story.
Structure and language feature is all
Thank you.
is it finished.
Not yet, miss.
Okay, I give you 1 minute again. Is it finished? Okay. Please, group one, you present your story in the from class. Okay, you read the story and you mention in structure and link the picture.
Okay, the title is Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang was a poor boy who lived with his mother in a small village near the sea. His mother loved him very much. One day, Malin decided to sail with his merchant ship to a better life. After many years, Malin became rich and married a beautiful woman. One day, his ship returned to his hometown. His mother was very happy and ran into him. However, Malin refused to recognize his mother. His mother felt hurt and prayed to God. Soon after, terrible storm came. Malin's ship was destroyed and Malin turned into stone as punishment. Moral value is respect your parents.
Okay, the structure and
For orientation is from Malin Kundang until better life, and for complication from after many years until pray to God, and for resolution from soon after until punishment.
and what's a language feature is section 4?
Action verb is live, love, decided, married, return, refuse, and that's all.
Okay, good job, group one. Give you let's give applause. Okay, next group two. Please you present story. And when you mention as structure and language feature. Okay.
This is the legend of Roro Jonggrang. For the orientation, long there was beautiful prince named Roro Jonggrang who lived in the kingdom of Java. Apart from prince, Bandung Bondo saw in love with her and wanted to marry her. Roro Jonggrang did not love her and loved her for way to use for the complications. She gave him impossible task. It is, he had to build 1,000 temples in the single night. With the help of the spirits, Bandung Bondo was almost finished the task before the morning came. For the reorientation list, afraid he would succeed, Roro Jonggrang tricked him by making the sky looking bright, realizing he was deceived. Bandung Bondo so is becoming when first of all Jonggrang into a stone. last statue of the temple complex.
Okay.
For the living church is live, felt, build, trick, and curse. And also finish trick, gave, and that's all.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Group 2. Very good. Let's give applause. Okay, now it's time for individual work. Okay, and please, I give you worksheet. Okay.
Is this homework with or make it now?
No.
Make it now, Miss.
Okay. Please use the paper, okay, and the worksheet. You make A and B, okay. You make and B. I give you 3 minutes. 3 minutes and make you answer by A and B. Part A and B. Okay. I give you 4 minutes. here in this front class.
Oh, not yet, miss.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
You can homework. What have we learned in conclusion? What have we learned today? Okay, and what what is a legend?
Legend is a type of text that tells a story about the origin, object, or event.
Okay, good job. And what the characteristic?
A folk story believed to have happened,
Tell the origin of something, of human and supernatural beings, and combine new and used past. Okay. And what structure?
Orientation, cognition, resolution,
And orientation. And the last, what literature?
past
Tense,
action,
verb. And the specific character, temporal conjunction, time, adjective, cause, effect, moral, and causality. Okay. Your homework is to write one narrative text about Indonesian legends and the worksheet for homework. Okay. Thank you for your participants. Let's close the lesson with a prayer. Okay, Ferdy, you can.
Alright everyone, let's say Hamdallah.
Amen.